I love this tool so much. Every mechanic should have one of these. Yes or yes. Woo! Why am I always liking unboxing videos? Hi, welcome to this new episode. So we got these new tools from a company called KAIWEETS. This one particularly is articulating industrial borescope with the part number KBA01. 1.5 meters cable length. What? I can't believe this guy sent me this. Wow, it looks amazing. They also sent me the KAIWEETS KBA01, which is a brake fluid tester. What do you guys say if we open it up together and let's test them? Obviously, I'm going to begin with the big one. Let me see the characteristics of this one. A screen size 4.3 inches, camera diameter 8 millimeters, image resolution 1920 per 1080p. What? It has a viewing angle of 70 degrees. It's a waterproof grade IP67. And it comes with the battery included, 2000 milliamp hours, and battery life 3.5 hours. There'll be no time to waste. Let's open it up. Let's see. Whoa. No. These companies are making now a difference. I love this type of casing. All right, let me put this here. KAIWEETS. Very interesting. Let's open it up. Let's see what we got here. Let's see. All right. We have a user manual. With very detailed information. Very nice. Okay, we got a Type-C to port A, USB. And let me see what else is this. These are the hook accessories. Okay, a hook ring, a hook as well. Okay, it even comes with the look, it even comes with a mirror. Very complete. Let me see. Let's take it out. Beautiful. Okay, wow, but the borescope is actually very long. All right, so it says 1.5 meters long. Wow. Whoa. See? So one of the most impressive features of this borescope is roll the wheel and... What? Can you guys see it? That's what? No. Too much. Just by pressing the button of the light, you are able to turn it on, more intense or less intense. Check this out. By pressing this button, you can just zoom in by pressing the button the arrow facing up. And if you press the arrow facing down, you can just reverse the position of the camera. Super versatile. Let me go to the main menu. Video resolution, image quality 2 megapixels, audio, language settings, date time setting. Wow. Ding dong, ding dong, ding dong, ding dong, ding dong, ding dong. I love this too much. Oh, look, it comes with including a 32 gigabyte micro SD card. Very nice. The USB Type-C port here, and it also has a reset button. We can take a picture. How it looks. All right, it's indeed an amazing tool. But what I seen, if you want to place it back, you have to bend this like considerably. Let me see. Let me place it back in. All right. Copy that. She's back in with absolutely no problem. Placing all the accessories here. Very nice to take away. But I want to use it and make a visual inspection to see what are the great benefits of having an articulating industrial high-resolution borescope. But before doing that, I'm also going to unbox the KAIWEETS brake fluid tester, which I'm going to test it as well. You guys remember that a brake fluid tester, the only thing that measures is the level of humidity in the brake fluid in any vehicle. Okay, it comes with the battery included. Very nice. This uses AAA batteries. Let me open it up. Yes. Oh, it's actually very well sealed as well. See, coming in, coming back in. Inside, let me turn it on. All right. It allows you to select, look, .5, .4, .5.1, and .3. Very nice. All you need to do is just introduce this in the brake fluid, and it's going to tell you the level of humidity. So let's not waste any time. Let's go outside and test the KAIWEETS. Here we go. So the first scenario is I'm going to use the brake fluid tester right here in my vehicle. And as you can see, my vehicle uses .5.1. So I'm going to turn it on. Okay. I'm going to press .4, .5.1. Let me open it up. And let's see what values do we get. All right. We're getting 1.4%, which apparently is in good condition. No warnings, absolutely nothing. Another scenario is an open box, high quality brake fluid that's been here for a while, sometime. Obviously I don't use it. Let's see what is the percentage that we get. Obviously, this one is 0.4. Let me see. Okay, now let's measure the value. Let's see what we get. Okay, this one is showing me 2.5%. Whoa, not looking good. And this one is new, you know, but it's been open for quite some time. And the last scenario, of course, is a used one. Let's see, what are we reading here? See, 3.4, 3.3, and the screen actually turns in red, telling us clearly that placing this, whereas there's more than 3% humidity, it's super urgent replacement brake fluid. Okay, so let's see if we can understand the values that we get. A green color screen, a yellow color, and red. So the green means 0 up to 2% water, humidity, and brake fluid is okay. The yellow, it means 2 to 3% water, consider brake fluid, change, like this one. And red, telling us clearly there's more than 3% of water, change the brake fluid urgently, exactly as this one. So the KAIWEETS brake fluid tester is indeed an amazing tool. Every single mechanic should have one of these. I'm taking out the spark plugs in my vehicle because you know what? Now that I have an articulated borescope, I want to see the condition of the cylinders inside, but also what is the condition of the intake valve or the exhaust valve. The only way to know that, we're going to have to use the KAIWEETS articulating borescope. Here we go. Okay, check this out. Our camera is fully set. Let me place it in. Let's confirm that the articulated is working fine. And let's take a look inside the cylinders. Here we go. Let's see what we get in here. Let me see. Go inside. Oh. All right. Let's see what are we seeing here? Let's see the condition of the piston. See the condition of the cylinder. Am I getting something there? Let's see. The cylinder looks fine. All right, let's check the condition of the valves. Let's see, I wonder. What? No. What? What in the world? This is too much. Look. Let me just spin it. One of the valves is open, of course. This is amazing. Let me see. Wow. Obviously, I already know that the condition of the valves is impeccable. Let me take these out. Incredible. Now let's check the cylinder next door. See, here we go. Yet still looking impeccable. The other thing is I can just come on over inside and look at the type of visual inspection that I can make. So easy by just articulating the small little arm. Let me see. I want to see the condition of the AC compressor connections. There you go. Let's see. All right. Everything looking impeccable. What about here in the back? Let me do a visual inspection. Do I have by chance any type of oil leaks? Let me see. It's so easy to manipulate by... No. Too much. This is incredible. I want to take a picture of the valves. Let me see. Take a picture of the valves. Let me see. Picture in 3, 2, 1. Okay. Picture of the other valve. Another picture. All right. So I can just extract it now. That's it. Okay, I inspected already. Let me turn it off. Very good. I am so ridiculously satisfied with this KAIWEETS product that my answer is yes. I strongly recommend the KAIWEETS articulating industrial borescope. Is definitely a tool that every single technician should have. The brake fluid, incredible and accurate. And yes, another must-have tool for technicians. I got a surprise for you. I have this additional brake fluid tester from my good friends from KAIWEETS, totally free for you. All you need to do is like and subscribe and send me a message saying, Jose, I need the tester. And you are automatically participating. So thank you so much for my good friends of KAIWEETS. They truly making incredible diagnostic equipment. So if you want to learn more, stick around for more tips. I'll see you then. Bye-bye. Don't forget to subscribe. KAIWEETS too great.